Welcome back guys to another video. I'm Hadi and today's video is another product like the previous video. We have a Apple product. Today's Apple product is the Apple Watch. As we know, this is the new Apple Watch Series 6, the deep navy color. In this video, we're gonna break down the unboxing, review, and I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple Watch for people that that use the Apple Watch. It's first time for you to use an Apple Watch. I'm gonna introduce that for you too. And without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. And now guys, let's unbox the Apple Watch. First of all, it's written Apple Watch here. First of all, let's look at the back. As we can see, we have the 44mm version. It's an aluminum Apple Watch and it's the deep navy color. It's color it's similar like the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the Pacific Blue. It's same. First of all, when you open the Apple Watch, we have these Apple Watch prototypes. For these are the Apple Watch bands, different type of bands, Hermes bands, the loop band, for example, all type of bands. We have two boxes here. When you open it, we have two boxes. First of all, this is an Apple Watch. Each Apple Watch, when you buy it, it represents the color that you are on it. First of all, the main box, when you open it, the Apple Watch is inside this case. It's written 44mm. We have 44 and 42mm. When we open it, I used this Apple Watch for around 3 weeks. I use all of my products for around a month or more than 2 weeks. To tell you my impression about the watch. This is the Apple Watch. This is some paperwork, nothing that important. And what's inside this one? This is the charger. The charger is USB type A to wireless. How you charge your phone? You plug this to a USB type A adapter, the USB type A head, and you bring this head and you put it here. It magnetically connects and charges it. And now, let me open this. This is the loop or the Apple Watch strap. We have small to Apple puts a small to medium and a medium to large band. I will just pull out the small to medium one because my hand is small to medium. Now it's super messy. How you put the strap? Let me focus it. You just pull it like that. The bracket should be on the top, not the stainless steel one. And here we will put it too. And if you want to remove the Apple Watch strap, you just click this. There's a small button here. And pull it like that. Just hold it and pull it. And this is the unboxing. And now let me tell you how you can use an Apple Watch. And now guys, let me show you what's in the Apple Watch. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to use the Apple Watch, the Watch app. First of all, as you can see, let's just go to the Apple Watch place. Here we have a digital crown. This is called the digital crown. And this is a button. This button's works, for example, you click it, it shows you the recently apps that you have used it, as we can see. And you can use the digital crown to scroll up and scroll down and do a lot of other functions. For example, if you hold click it, we have power off. medical ID. It's your medical ID. For example, what's your blood type, anything like that. And the SOS emergency. You can use the SOS emergency when you have an emergency. And if you hold click the button, if you hold click it, the SOS emergency will go to up to, like, you should wait 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, you could call the SOS emergency. When we click the digital crown, just click the digital crown, and we have a lot of apps. The apps that we have, like the apps that it's in, we have the ordinary apps, for example, podcast. But what's in it that there is not in the iPhone? We have a compass app. As we can see, move it around. It will tell you where south, north. We have a breathing app. You click on this breathing and it will tell you to breathe, inhale and exhale for 1 minute. It's very good for your breathing, for your lungs. And the wait a minute, and the heart rate. You just click on the heart rate, and now I cannot put it on my hand, but it tells you 144 beats per minute. It's live, 133 as we can see. And we have this hearing app. Look, as I speak, it goes up. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Look, the decibels will go up. It's a pretty good feature. And we have this, but I'm gonna not click it because I'm recording now. This is the app that you use for example, if you don't have the iPhone near you, you can use it as a recording app. Like you open your app, you open your camera remotely. You just click on this and press record. And we have this walkie-talkie. This is like a walkie-talkie, for example. If any of your friends have an Apple Watch, you can speak together by this. And we have workouts. As you can see, workouts is the most important thing about the Apple Watch. There are plenty, more than I think 100 more than 100 workouts, every type of workouts you can find. For example, you click on a baseball workout, hiking. For example, let's say step running. You just wait 3 seconds, and it will tell you how many minutes have you done it and the beats per minute. If you swipe like that, you can lock the Apple Watch, because sometimes when you sweat, you should lock the Apple Watch. When you lock it, wait a minute. If you're in the water right now, if you're using Apple Watch near the water, you just click on this water drop, and look, it says turn the digital crown to unlock and eject water. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just turn this like that, and it will make a beep 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 sound. We have Wi-Fi here. When you're clicking on it, it plays the iPhone and do not disturb button. And this is a flashlight button. We have 3 types of flashlight. And you have airplane mode, airdrop, sleep mode. The most important thing of the Apple Watch is sleep mode. This is a new feature that's introduced to all of the Apple Watch, all of the new Apple Watches. For example, you just click on sleep mode. It tells you at the night how your sleeping routine, your breath, your heart rate, all of that kind of stuff. And we have an activity button. The blue one is the stand up button. It tells you to stand up every often, to maintain your health. Apple Watch, this Apple Watch was made to retain your health. Because of that, we have workouts and everything like that. You have the time here. If you click on this, you can add watch faces. For example, I can use this watch face. It's pretty beautiful. We have a lot, we have spot a watch on it. You can set a timer. and you can answer your DMs too just by speaking to the Apple Watch. Guys, for the blood oxygen, the topic that was focused on at the event last year, you just click on the blood oxygen button, and it will take 15 seconds until it will tell you the blood oxygen, but you should be very careful. Sometimes it will be an unsuccessful measurement. Now let me tell you how to use it with the phone. Now guys, this is a screen recorded one. Let me show you how to use the app. First of all, we open the watch app. We have, first of all, face gallery. We have this face gallery. This is artist face galleries. This is the new ones. And we have plenty other you can choose from. You just click on one and you're gonna add it. And for example, we come here. We set as current watch face. You just click it, or you can remove the watch face. And you can customize it by yourself. For example, I'm gonna change this, change the color, and change the top, the middle, and the bottom. For example, I want this one to be the alarm, I want the bottom one to be the heart rate, and I want to be, for example, music. That's it. We have general. You can software update your phone, airplane mode, anything like that. You can enable hand wash. Let me tell you another feature about the Apple Watch. The hand wash feature, you just use the Apple Watch for 20 seconds and it will tell you like if it hears and the washing and the water and the soap that you're using, and the timer will turn on for 20 minutes and it will tell you when to stop washing your hand. That's it actually. You can put a passcode on your Apple Watch, but I will tell you something, but please listen me. Don't put a passcode on your Apple Watch. Most of my friends put it Apple Watch passcode on their Apple Watch and they forgot their Apple Watch passcode, and if you forget your Apple Watch passcode, what you can do? Nothing else is remaining. It would be so hard to use your Apple Watch because you forgot the password. And we have another. You can use Apple. If you buy the Apple Watch Series 6 or the Apple Watch SE, the newer models, you can use Apple Fitness Plus. For example, we open the Fitness app, Fitness Plus. You have 3 months of Fitness Plus if you buy this new Apple Watch. What is Fitness Plus? I didn't activate mine. For example, you can learn a yoga lesson. There's a lot of videos on how to learn yoga. Of course, this is a money-based subscription, like you should buy it, but for 3 months you can use it for free if you have these new Apple Watches. For example, it will learn you home cycling and many things and a lot of other things. And that was it actually. The Apple Watch isn't that different from the previous Apple Watch Series 5s or the Series 4. Just what's the difference? The battery life, maybe it's better and it charges much faster. And the other things is that you have blood oxygen. That's it actually. There's not a very increased stuff. But I forgot to tell you one thing. It's waterproof actually. You can use this underwater. Because of that, the workout part, you have a swimming section, so you can click on the swimming and you can swim. And that was all for me. Catch you guys in another video. Peace out.